भाई सब गा रहे हैं, मुझे भी गाना है। Makaino, sora da pika pika, chibiya ko manja.
I'm the man who killed Gus Fring. I'm the man who killed Gus Fring.
Hey everyone, welcome to Guju Edition. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free image-to-motion capture video and a viral, realistic AI influencer video that you can use for your edits or social media. But please keep in mind, use this responsibly and do not misuse this technology for any wrong or harmful activities. So let's start the video. First, search on Google Kai API. Then go to the website. Click on the API Market option at the top. After that, click on Kling 2.6 Motion Control. Now delete the existing prompt. Remove the default photo and video and upload your own photo. Next, select 720p quality, which is perfectly fine for our needs. Then click on the Run option below, and your video will start generating.
Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control.
See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.